Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb function and where to find it. The easiest way to turn on Do Not Disturb function is to swipe from the top. Here we have our shortcuts menu. We have to scroll it once again, and here somewhere left or right we will have Do Not Disturb. To turn it on, we simply need to tap it once. To turn it off, tap it again. Here we have, if we hold it for a second or two, we have few options. We can set a timer on our Do Not Disturb, for example 1 hour, and it will be until almost 6 o'clock. Let's set it up, and that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.